Hello, my name is Yuta and I'm the Chief Executive Officer.
Hello, my name is Matthew and I'm the Chief Operations Officer.
Hello, I'm Kevin and I'm the Chief Financial Officer.
Hello, I am Titan. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer.
Did you know that 1 in 11 people in the US have diabetes? Diabetes is the most common endocrine disorder of carbohydrate metabolism. With currently 422 million diabetic adults worldwide, the prevalence continues to increase. So what is diabetes, and why should we care? Diabetes refers to a dangerous chronic condition where blood glucose levels are too high because the body cannot produce or use insulin. Many complications can develop due to high glucose levels, such as cardiovascular disease, nerve damage, blindness, and kidney failure. It is also the seventh leading cause of death in the US. Most people with the condition have type 2 diabetes, a type that usually develops later in life due to an excessive intake of glucose, causing the pancreas to overload. Although the onset of type 2 diabetes can be delayed or prevented, the challenge lies in recognizing the onset of the condition, since the symptoms for early diabetes is subtle or seemingly harmless. In fact, many current people with prediabetes or diabetes are still unaware of their condition. According to the CDC, around 7.2 million Americans currently have undiagnosed diabetes, and 84 million Americans have prediabetes. So we thought a cheap, rapid, accessible self-diagnostic test would be helpful among people who are not yet diagnosed with diabetes, as it can lead to greater recognition and prevention of the condition. This demand is unaddressed with the technology that is currently in the market or in development. To fill this need, we developed our product, Glucobeads. Glucobeads is a product that is used for measuring blood glucose levels by testing for salivary glucose levels. The beads, which are placed inside the user's mouth, reacts with the minute concentrations of glucose in the saliva, causing a change in color. The degree of color change correlates to the glucose level and can act as a reliable diagnostic device for prediabetes or diabetes.
So, how does it work?
The beads encapsulate an enzyme called glucose oxidase, which specifically oxidizes glucose into gluconic acid and hydrogen peroxide. The beads also encapsulate triangular silver plasmonic nanoparticles, or nanoprisms, which are etched from triangle to round in the presence of hydrogen peroxide. This leads to a large, visible wavelength shift, creating the color change. There are many qualities that make glucobeads unique. Firstly, it utilizes saliva. Commonly considered as the mirror of the body, saliva is an attractive medium for clinical diagnostics due to the presence of plentiful disease biomarkers. Multiple studies show that salivary glucose levels correlate with blood glucose levels. Also, saliva can be easily collected, and it dramatically reduces the discomfort of the test. This means no more of that painful finger prick testing. Secondly, the cost and simplicity of preparing the product is unlike any other glucose sensor on the market. The beads are made of biopolymers extracted from abundant organic waste, such as alginate from algae, which protects the encapsulated enzyme from any proteolytic or hydrolytic attack by the chemicals in saliva. So, we hope to soon obtain a patent, undergo clinical trials, and place a product in the market, since we believe that this technology has the potential to combat undiagnosed diabetes. However, in order to place our product in the market, we must continue developing it. Luckily, we're funded by a Shanghai American school and Shanghai Upper Biotech Company, who are giving us access to necessary equipment and materials to conduct experiments. We're also supported by a scientific venture company called Lebanist, who are giving us access to a direct network of universities and companies across Japan. So far, we have utilized our network to connect to Tokyo University's Biosensor Lab and Tokyo Institute of Technology's Shoji Lab.
To bring our product to the market, our business intends to pursue licensing deals with larger companies that are currently at the forefront of the healthcare industry. By licensing our product to a company with the ability to manufacture and distribute our product, we can raise the product's awareness among the market. To do this, we need to participate in startup conferences where we can convince company representatives the potential of our product.
We hope to continue furthering our research, such as making the beads detect other diseases using saliva. Another idea we wanted to try was making color-changing chewing gum instead of beads to detect diseases. However, as of now, we hope to bring our innovative diabetes testing beads to the world as soon as possible.